All right. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome back to Grumpy's LaidBak Carvings. I hope everybody's having an awesome day. Today just got better. My days have been going real good here lately, and I'm so grateful for that. But I got some mail today. I know who it's from. Y'all don't know yet, but I know what it is. Y'all don't know either. But anyway, OldPath, he sent me a goodie bag. Y'all got to go check out his channel. I'm going to have a link for it in my description. Please, everybody go give him a like, subscribe, tell him Grumpy sent you. But little short story. When I started my channel and was doing my thing, I started having some hiccups with my lathe. And OldPath, he has a lathe that he was not using at the time, and told me if I had wheels to get down there, that he says, here you go, come get it. And but of course I didn't have no way down there, and I'm so glad I didn't at the time. But I got my lathe up and going and fixed, and in the meantime, OldPath, he's been watching a lot of us in the community, and caught some inspiration to jump back into his lathe. He's had his lathe for a long time. He did like 1 or 2 projects with it and then put it up, never messed with it again. But now he's turning some stuff and he's having fun doing it. But anyway, he goes live after me. I go live pretty much every day, 5:30 in the morning. And then when I'm done with my lives, if OldPath is going live, I'll shut down at 9 o'clock, and he'll go live after that. But y'all go check his channel out for sure. But he made a pin, and when he made this pin, he said that he wanted to gift it to me, and that was special. And I do believe this is a Miss Frances blank on top of that, which makes it even better. But yes, y'all check that out. I love that color and everything. It's just too cool. Yeah, that is awesome. And it's one of the strong ink kits, I do believe. But yeah, I like that so much. Thank you, OldPath. You don't know. And then again, y'all go check his channel out for sure. Give him a like, a subscribe. Tell him Grumpy sent you. But that man's got a heart of gold. He hits my wish list from time to time and sends me stuff. And now he sent me this. And I can't tell you how much I appreciate this, OldPath. I'm going to cherish this for a long time to come for sure, because it ain't going nowhere. And if it does, I'm going to go looking for it, because that's mine. I like it. But thank you so much, sir. And yeah, you keep doing what you're doing with your channel, sir. You're getting there. It's awesome. I love watching your stuff. I love watching your stuff. But all right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Y'all, please go check out my description. Go give OldPath some love. And man, remember, it's my job. Well, it's not. We jumped the gun. Y'all stay awesome. Stay laid back. And remember, it's my job to be the happiest grumpy y'all know. God bless everybody. Y'all have a safe day.